Today I'm taking a look at the PAUDIN carving knife. So it does come with some instructions. It says that this is a 56-degree hardness and that this is high carbon stainless steel. High carbon is important because that means that it is going to hold its edge. That is a beautiful looking blade. So we can see it has that Damascus look, and we can see that this is not multi-piece pinched together. This is all one piece right here for this blade. I also like saying that the blade is not getting interfered with, so if we need to sharpen it, we can sharpen that all the way to the end very easily. It has an excellent curve to it and a fairly steep angle on there. For the handle, it's calling this pack of wood, and it is nice knowing that we have genuine wood, and that appears to be a single piece of wood, not multi-pieces that are slapped together. We got a nice etched in pommel right there on the end, and it is also etched on the blade itself. And even with this large size blade, it still balances fairly close to the handle. So it's going to make it a lot easier to hold on to, especially if you got to hold on to it for long periods of time. With a carving knife, sometimes they come with a serrated blade, sometimes they come with a flat blade like this. I prefer the flat blade just because you can be a lot more accurate. And that cuts like butter. That is an absolutely gorgeous blade. And I've used PAUDIN knives before, and those are still our main knives in our kitchen. But I'm happy to add this to the collection.